with Rolle Estate. I got a banger for y'all. Let's go. All right. Long story short, this is, chair. This is a masterpiece. Like, look at this, bruh. Look at this house. Oh my goodness. So first and foremost, it's an open layout concept here, man. You got a beautiful living area here. You have a garage which was converted into a formal dining room. I love this step down feature here. Of course, everybody notices these pillars right here. Check me out, check me out. You can see me, now you don't. You see me, now you don't. So what we got here, over in this corner, I need you to take a look at this kitchen, man. Check out this kitchen. When you talk about this is updated. This is what we talking about, man. Look at these countertops. Look at these cabinets. Look at the appliances. Everything here is beautiful. Like, it's no other word for it other than beautiful. You can see a beautiful backyard view here. Look at this backsplash. On top of that, on top of all that, you got a sunroom. You got a sunroom. You got a beautiful sunroom here with natural light here, man. Look at the backyard. Bruh, this is an amazing home, period. And we still on the first floor. All right, so check this out, guys. Downstairs, you got your laundry room here. I'll take you guys back over here for a second. Nice, beautiful laundry room here with, look how big this is. You got washer, dryer, you got a fridge here, you got storage, you got everything you need here, man. Like, check this out, man. So you guys know I'm big on my test of putting your hand on the fridge and seeing if you can see the television, right? The way this room is laid out, it's really nowhere a space. It's no space that a television can go in this room, and I actually love it. This room is laid out in a manner that makes you want to enjoy this room. It's a beautiful room. You can stand in the middle of the first floor and see everything. I don't even read a lot, and I want to read just because we're in this room. Like, it sounds like jazz music plays all day in this room. And then, not to mind you, we still got more first floor. Let's go. So downstairs, we have 2 bedrooms. Show them the rooms, dude. Show them the rooms. Got bedroom 1, beautifully laid out room here. Just imagine it. Like, these are your guests. They come down here, they're downstairs, they're out of your ear. They got a whole bedroom down here. It's another whole bedroom down here. So if you have guests with kids, it's perfect. They're out your wind. They're out of your ear. And then on top of that, not only do you have 2 bedrooms downstairs, you got a whole bath. And that's updated too. Look at this, man. Check this out. Check this out, man. Man, this is amazing, man. Like, this is probably one of the best houses I've ever seen in my life. Come on, let's finish it up, Zoo. Let's go ahead. Let's head upstairs, bro. That's only half the house, bro. Bro. Hey, shout out to the dunks, though. Y'all see it? All right, let's go. All right, so we got another bedroom. This is bedroom number 3. This bedroom actually showcases the front yard, side yard, another wide bedroom here. It's a lot of space in these rooms. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5, but it's a lot of space in these rooms. We have the primary upstairs bathroom. So check this out, man. You got the double vanity here. You got the, man, bro, this looks like a beach house. I mean, I know we're in Virginia Beach, but we're around, in my opinion, average neighborhoods. But this looks like it's on the water. Like, this is a beach house. Now, last but not least, we have the main bedroom. Biggest bedroom in the house. Wide layout here. Nice flooring. You got windows. You got natural light. You got dual closets. We got everything you need right here for a price of $430. If you're not in Hampton Roads, come to Hampton Roads right now. If you enjoy being outside, there is probably nothing negative you could say about this backyard, man. First and foremost, I get a beautiful sun. I'm getting tan right now. My head is sizzling. We got the perfect backyard here. Well manicured lawn here. We got small trees. I love small trees. Some people love big trees, but I personally love small trees. We have the patio. We have the patio which was made it doesn't seem like a rock is out of place here. You got a full privacy backyard. You got a shed back here. You can come back here and throw the football with your kids. You know, let's line it up. Come on, Zoo. All right, go ahead. Give me the post route. Mark, say it. Throw the post. Touchdown. All right, we're going to the crib. All right, guys, as always, thank you for joining me on the home showing. Special shout out to my boy, Edgar Munoz with Realty Fever Group, straight out of Iron Valley Real Estate. You already know what time we on. If y'all could, hit that like button and subscribe button. And if y'all have any interest in any properties in the Hampton Roads area, similar to this one, or not even similar to this one, or you want to sell a home, contact your boy. Email's going right here. Other than that, y'all take it easy. See y'all in the next video. Go.